Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to go out at night. It's about 8:30 here in Kolkata, and just to show you whether it is safe or unsafe in this city. It is highly not recommended, but I do have to go because I have some work to do. So let me just take you to a journey, how it feels like to go out at 8:30. So I'm here outside and I'm going to take an auto rickshaw. It's a tuk-tuk, and let's see how it goes. This is called the Lansdowne Moor. Supposed to be busy, as you can see, and still it's a little difficult. People do stare at you, but yeah, this is the liveliest place at the moment, and it's the most safest here. Where I'm going, and yeah, this has been what I've been doing for quite a long time. It's all new to me, even though I am from here, but I'm still scared. But I do feel a little safe because of the busyness, as you can see. And yeah, let's see. It's all okay until it gets all, eerily quiet. That's when it starts getting scary. So as I was saying, it gets a little scary when it's all empty here, like as you can see. But if there are bikes, buses and things like that, it's fine. But always be careful. It's Asia. I really had to get out because of some issues that I have, but otherwise I wouldn't. So I thought of vlogging and documenting it for you guys and just see how it feels. I really do not recommend it at all, but I had to today. So yeah, I do have to walk quite a lot because there is no line for public transport on this street, so I have to walk. But yeah, let's see. There is a restaurant. I really want to go, but I can't. And now I am getting inside a street. Let me show you guys. Damn scared. Really scared. Okay, so I'm now going back home. I like the light. And come walk with me. Hey. It's a busy street, so I do feel okay, safe. Yeah. This place, I don't know what kind of names they are. There is Lansdowne. This probably is like, it's called Sharad Bose Road. And it has some nice stores. I wish I could go in there. Oh, look, there's Baskin Robbins. Let's head back home. There is one a market where my grandma used to come and do her groceries right over here. Let me show you guys. There, right there. Right there. That's the market. Now I'm heading back home and I'm going to catch another tuk-tuk. And yeah, that's about it. So it's not that bad, but don't take the risk, guys. It's still not safe. Like I said before, I mean, I had to get out, so I'm here. It is supposed to be winter at the moment, but I don't know why I'm sweating. This place is usually very humid, Kolkata, I mean, but it's okay. I mean, I'm still not wearing a sweater. I want to. Oh, look! I have a cat waiting for me. I just came back. I met one girl. She was pretty friendly, and just heading home. It gets really cold sometimes, but otherwise it was okay. The street was quite lively, so I did not care much, but until then, if you can see, this is really dark. Okay, if you can see, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye, and do subscribe.